says that I received the email 17 hours ago. With this, and I'm never gonna log in into my telephone again. That was what was hacked. And then it only says 8 hours ago every time I reply back. And so I wrote the time, as it can be seen here. What is the time now? And then when you click on it, it takes you to this web page. So that you enter connect a device. I don't have Nokia phone. I have a Nokia phone, but that phone is Alien's phone. She's the one who uses it. I have a small non-smartphone called Denver. And obviously I am able to reply to a mail no reply at google.com, which is fake. So I send it to them, the email that they forced me to create, Heilenet02. Yeah, you can even see here March 10, 2018 it says here, but it says here 8 hours ago. How can that be? How can an email be sent 8 hours ago when I actually just sent it right now? The same here, 05:33, but it says 8 hours ago. The same thing. So what time is it right now exactly? Google time.com. Time now is 14:56. So now it's 14:56. I'll send one more time because I don't know what they are cooking up. And I will send these. To this reply. Reply. The time is it's not 8 hours ago. It's 1 minute ago, or like 1 second ago. Bloody hell.